Hi guys, how are you doing? Today we're going to be going over the glove for my Green Lantern suit. And for the glove, you need to have knuckles, and this is an idea that I came up with to make knuckles, which actually look very good. And you're going to be using a marble to make these knuckles. So what basically I've done is that I actually have a stand, and on that stand I put a marble so it does not run around. And what I do is that I heat the EVA foam so it can be bent into the shape that is required. This is another interesting tool that I use. I use my scissors and I press my scissors on top of the EVA to get this shape, and this is because of the marble. So you need to cut it out, and you need to make about 10 of these for the knuckles. And so let's go ahead and start this, and I'm going to be showing you how we're going to be making for both my hands. So this is the base club that I've used. This club is dotted from one side and the other side is just simple plain. Okay, so basically now we actually have this is going to be the ring for the glove, and in my next video I'll show you how to make the ring as well. It does actually have an LED inside, so it glows also. This is actually quite interesting. It's my own design, so a lot of things are coming your way. I'm also going to be showing you how to make the mask for Green Lantern. Basically, I'm working on two different costumes at the same time, so you're going to be getting a lot of videos from my side. This is the templates for the eye mask, and I'm going to be adding LEDs in these masks later on as well. So this is the gauntlet for the Justice League Green Lantern suit. That's going to be the part of the whole build. So like I said, I'm working on a few Green Lantern suits. I'm working on the Hope Lantern and the Green Lantern. This is the gauntlet for the Blue Lantern. So this basically has a battery pack that holds two 9-volt batteries, and this powers the whole suit. Overall, there are over 100 LEDs in the whole suit. So what we're doing right now is that we're going to be adding the wiring for the ring. So I made a small incision from on the glove, so the wire can be placed inside the glove. This wire is going to be connected to the gauntlet, and now we're going to be adding the hot glue so it can be attached to the finger, and we're going to be repeating the same process for each and every part that's going to be added to the glove. So it takes a bit of time to get the firm grip to the glove, and once it's completed, we're going to be adding the knuckle part. Now we're going to be adding the further details to the glove, and these are going to be the small pieces that are going to be acting as the armor for the fingers. Uh, so I've cut these small pieces. Each finger will have 3 of those. Before we actually go towards that, we're going to be adding the wire system. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be covering the wires with the wire jacket, the wire cover, and we'll make the connection, solder it once it's fixed properly, and then have it checked with the battery so to see everything is working fine. You would actually have to heat treat the wire afterwards so the jacket can be firmly attached to the wires and it's not loose anymore. Once the wire is heat treated, I'm going to be going towards the other pieces, like I said before, that are going to be going over the fingers. And I'm going to be using hot glue for this particular purpose. I know it's painful because it gets really hot under the glove, but you know, this is much better than using any other glue. It's quick drying and it actually works pretty good because it does actually give flexibility as well. If you're going to be using super glue, it's going to get very hard and it's going to be very painful for the fingers, and it's going to be not comfortable for you to wear the glove if it's hot glued with these pieces on. So as you can see that I'm pretty much done with the third finger as well. I'm going to be moving towards the fourth and fifth. Okay, all done. Looking good so far. Now we're going to be doing the plastic dip. Just a little coat. It's gonna be a thick one, but we're just gonna be doing one coat of this. Make sure that like I did, I'm gonna be covering the ring so the paint does not go towards the painted side. So each and every part will be covered with the plastic dip. Once that's done, I'm gonna leave it for about 10 minutes to get dried, and then I'm going to be moving towards the other glove. Same way, same process, but on this side you don't actually have the ring. Okay, so I've started painting now. The fingers are it's going to be brushed, and I'm not going to be using spray paint over here. Each and every part has to be individually painted, and it has to be at least 2 coats, sometimes 3, to make sure that you actually have even coverage. It's a long process, I know. Once it's completed, as you can see, it looks absolutely fabulous. I did 3 coats on each side. The light is lit inside the ring. There are 3 lights, LED strips on the Gauntlet, which I haven't connected batteries to, so they're not lit right now. But as you can see, it looks very nice. And I must say, thank you so much for watching my video. And if you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you so much once again. Take care. See you around.